Welcome to the channel Maths with Activity. Last video we have seen about the ray. What do you mean by ray? Ray has the fixed point one and another is the infinite. Now today we are going to learn about the line. Line means suppose I take out this fixed point and increase the other end by the points, and if we put the infinite number of points toward the next end of this ray, that means the infinite can be shown by this arrow, and this figure forms is said to be the line. That means you can define the line. A line is a group of all such collinear points with both ends are infinite. That means both the ends, therefore we can denote it by this. This end is also infinite or unlimited, and this end is also infinite or unlimited. Suppose we take some rays again here, and this is the ray passing toward the right hand side, and suppose I take the another ray, but it's the opposite rays. See, this is opposite ray is passing toward the left hand side, and if both the rays has the common origin, see now this is the common point, then such two rays forms a line. Now how to read and write the name of lines? Let's take any 2 points. Suppose I take this point A and a point B, because line has the infinite points, their end cannot be defined, and therefore you have to take any 2 points. Suppose on the next line I take, this is the origin, this is the 1 point again, and this is the third point on this line. That means I have taken 3 points on this line. And let's take another line again here. Suppose I put here this line, and let's name it again X and Y. Then while writing or reading the name of this line, we can use the line AB. Similarly, this line can be shown by a single small alphabet also. Suppose I write here L, suppose I write there small m, and here small n. Then in such cases you can write the name of this line AB as a line L. Similarly, this line can be written as a line CD, or another by a small letter there is a M, and therefore you can read or write as a line M. And similarly the line XY, this can be written as line XY, and small letter there is a small n, and therefore you can write the line N. Well student, you can use any 2 points. That means suppose you have to write the line XY, you can name it again line YX also. That means you can interchange these points also. Well, now we have to study about some relations about the line. Now see, what's these figures? These figures, the line AB and line CD, say these 2 lines we increase, what will happen? They will not intersect with each other. Similarly, this line CD and line XY, if we increase both the lines toward both ends, they will not intersect to each other. Such type of lines are said to be the parallel lines. That means the line, those do not intersect with each other, are said to be the parallel line. But whenever there is a 2 lines again, say this is a line, let's give the name to this line, this is a point O, and this is a point say N, and the another line I am taking here, say this is a point Q, and this is a point say Z. Now these 2 lines are intersecting at this point. Let's give the name to this point, let's have the point say M, and therefore whenever 2 lines intersect with each other, they are said to be the intersecting lines, and the point where they intersect, it is said to be the intersecting point M. Now how to write this parallel lines? That means this line AB and CD are parallel, therefore we can write that line AB is parallel to line CD. Similarly, line CD and line XY are parallel, and therefore you can write here line CD is parallel to line XY. And if these 2 pairs are parallel to each other, that means all these 3 lines are also parallel to each other, and therefore you can write such a way line AB parallel line CD and parallel line XY. Similarly, we can use the single letter also. These two lines are parallel, then you can write the line L is parallel to line M. Similarly, M and N are parallel, therefore you can write line M and N are also parallel, and all these three lines are parallel to each other. Therefore, you can write line L parallel to line M parallel to line N. Such a way you have here two types, and from all this information we have some properties also. Let's overlook about the properties. Number one, both ends are infinite, just I denote here. That means line does not have the end point, and therefore it is denoted by arrow. When to opposite ray, see here OD and OC were opposite ray and they have the common origin O, then they forms a line. There are two ways to write the name. One, using any 2 points on the line, and or by a single alphabet you can use the to indicate or to write the name of the line. When two lines do not intersect with each other, they are said to be the parallel line, and whenever they intersect with each other, they are said to be the intersecting point, and where they intersect there is the only one common point, that point is said to be the intersecting point. Well students, I hope you understand this, and you have to write or you have to solve some homework. You have some assignment here. There are question. Assignment is that read and write the name of lines, write the name of intersecting points, and you have to write the name of parallel lines also. Let's have some lines here. Suppose I draw here, this is a line again, name it. See, this is a point P and this is a point say M. Let's have another point here, a line here. Suppose this is a line and the name of this line is F and E and K, and the intersection point is, suppose here is a O again, and there is some again lines. This is a line, this is, and let's give the name to this line. Any 2 points you have to take from the line. This is a TF, this is the point K and G, and let's have some intersection line again here. Just I give such a way. See, this is the point E, this is the intersection point S, and this is the point T. Such a way, overlook it properly. Find some parallel lines are here and some intersecting line. Write the name of intersecting points and parallel line. Well, I hope you understand all these things. Thank you.